This is the dimmer switch we are going to introduce today. Let's take a look at its back. There are a total of 4 connection ports, including L1 port, L ports and COM port. The L ports are connected to the main power cable live wire. L1 is the output port of the lamp. The point to emphasize here is that the lamp must be a dimmable lamp. It is best to confirm whether the lamp is dimmable before installation. First of all, we need to disconnect the power supply. There are 2 lamp wires in total. In general, the neutral wire and lamp wire of our home power supply are already connected. Then connect this live wire to the L port. And screw down all the screws. So we can directly connect this lamp wire to the L1 port. Finally, cover the glass panel. Now our dimmer switch is installed. Wasn't this process a piece of cake? Okay, let's turn the power back on now. You can see that after the dimmer switch is powered on, the plus and minus indicators on its panel begin to flash alternately. Now the connected dimmable lamp has also entered an adaptive mode. The lamp will automatically adjust from the darkest to the brightest, and then from the brightest to the darkest. We can use it after a while. See the panel, there are 7 levels of brightness on it. Each time we click the plus and minus buttons, you can increase or decrease the brightness of the lamp by 1 level. You can see that the brightness of the light changes quite obviously. When the brightness reaches the maximum or minimum, the plus and minus indicators will flash to indicate. Now let's try the dimming effect of the switch. Our finger need to be close to the panel and drag left and right in the dimming area to adjust the light. Here we also need to use another touch switch. It should be noted that this dimmer switch must be connected to the lamp and used as the main switch. At the same time, if you want to achieve two-way function, it can only be connected to regular switch, and cannot be connected as two-way with other dimming products. This COM port is used to connect the two-way wiring. Let's wire the touch switch first. Connect live line 1, the one which is shorter, and connect it to the L port on the back of the switch. Then connect the two-way wire to the COM port. Tighten the screws and cover the glass panel. Now let's wire the dimmer switch. Connect the lamp wire to the lamp wire port. Connect the live line 2 to the L port. Then connect the other end of the live line 1 to the other L port. And finally connect the other end of the two-way wire to the COM port. Tighten the screws and cover the glass panel. In this way, the two-way setting of the dimmer switch is completed. How is it? Has everyone got it?